In today's video, I've got an absolutely awesome method to share with you to make money online and from home. Now, if you set this up correctly, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, not only can you earn some pretty decent money using this method, but it also becomes a passive income. Now, the idea for today's video come about because I purchased this product over on Etsy a couple of months ago. Let me go and show you the product so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So you see this, oh no, sorry, this one down here. This product here, let me just go into here and I'll show you this. So see here, I paid nearly £15 for this. Now the person here, this Simple Biz Branding, basically they've created these here using a free piece of software, and I'll show you this in a second. But basically I bought these Pinterest Canva templates, so they're just templates basically, but they save time and effort, so I'm all about that. And you can see exactly what they're going to look like, and literally these take minutes to create, and basically you just go in and edit them. So I paid £14.60 for these templates, and literally what happens is once you buy it you get a downloadable link. So I'll show you the link and how this looks. So if I come over here, this was the link, and here is my file to the product that I purchased, and it's literally just a link here. Look, click this link to access the standard templates, the tall templates, and this one here. But why this method is absolutely awesome is this lady who owns this website here over on Etsy, this Simple Biz Branding, she does the work using a piece of software called Canva, and I'll show you how to find the templates and all the other bits inside of this software, and it's free. But the great thing about this is, so you see all these products on here, once she's created them, put in a bit of time and effort up front, she uploads them onto Etsy, and all of these, they're all digital downloads, so she doesn't have to do any more work whatsoever. She's done the work once, she's put it onto Etsy, and people are going ahead and purchasing these products every single day, and she's making, I'd say, some pretty decent money. You can see up here she's had 2,600 sales, she's got a current rating of 5 stars. And literally you can go ahead and see the sort of, templates that she's doing, because all of these are just templates. I mean, look at this. 25 just sold Instagram graphic cards. These here, again, templates. Look at this. Pinterest, templates. Come further down here, Pinterest again. What have we got here? Pinterest travel blog templates. And there's lots more in here. And the reason why she's probably knocking out as many of these as possible is because they're profitable for them, because you do the work once and then it just runs on autopilot for you. So in this video, I'll show you the method, I'll show you the website to use, I'll show you how to get all of this set up, and I'll show you pretty much how easy this whole method is to start making some extra money online and from home. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So let's just jump straight into this. So we're going to go over here, and first of all, let's just jump back over into Etsy. So we can see on here there are so many different ways that you can make money with this, and all of these have been created using a piece of software, and that piece of software is this one over here, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's absolutely free to go ahead and sign up with for this, and it's called canva.com. So if we go back over here, do you remember I bought these Pinterest templates? So if I come over here onto Canva, in fact, let me go ahead and show you these designs, so what they look like. So you can see on here, these are the pin templates that I got from the person who I bought them from. So if I click on here, so you can see on here, pin templates, scroll down, and then this is a template, scroll down. So literally, background image, this here, and then this here, and literally I can edit any part of this that I want. In fact, here's a pin that I actually created using these templates. Come down here, look, another one, another one. And like I say, these are the templates. So if I come back over here, this is on the home page of Canva. So if you see up here where it says templates, look at this. You can scroll down here. Look, we've got Instagram story templates. We've got Instagram posts, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and many more. You've got all of these as well. Another way that you can do this is if you scroll up to, where is it? If you scroll down here, oh no, sorry, these are all my designs. If I go back here and click on the home page, and on here you can literally click on here and go across. You'll also find on here, you've got Instagram. Where's Pinterest? Pinterest is on here as well. Sure it's on here. If it's not on this bit here, oh sorry, I'm on the wrong one. I need to be on social media. So we've got TikTok on here, come across, YouTube, Pinterest. So you can see on here, I panicked for a second then. I thought they'd removed it. So I've gone here and click on Pinterest pin. So this opens up a template for us, which we can start, creating. So it starts off like this. It's blank, and on the left hand side here, you've got, all of these different options. So you see these here where it says free. These are all different templates that you can literally just right click on it. So if I click on here, watch, this goes over here, and then literally let me just get rid of this. Let's get rid of that to start with. So you see on here, so we'll put on here, so we could put your website here. And look, I'm just doing this really quickly just to give you an example of this. We can drag this down to here, and look, you can change any part of this. If you want to make this bold, if you want to put it in the center, you want to play around with this, you change the color of the fonts, etc, etc. So it's really simple to do. But let me just get rid of this and I'll show you how you do this. Delete element. Let me get rid of this. Delete element, and I'm going to delete this as well, and delete this. So I'll just start from scratch and I'll show you just how simple these are. So if we go back over here, come down here, look. Let's just look at this. I mean, look at this. This is a template here. So it's got an image behind, an overlay box here, and your website at the bottom. So let me show you this. Okay, so I'm going to come over here on the left hand side. I'm going to go elements, and we'll come down here. We'll get a box. Okay, this can go down here. I can make this bigger or smaller if I want. So I'm going to grab this, drag this over here, and then if I want to change the color, click on here, and I can change this to any of these colors. So if I wanted it to be red, for example, I click on that. Now if that's too red, I can click on here, and I can, adjust this to basically wherever I want. So that's that bit done. If I want to include some text, I click on here, and I can have a heading, subheading, and you can also have these, these templates done for you as well. So I'll click on heading, I'm going to drag this down to the bottom here, and put on here your website. Pretty simple stuff, I think you'll agree. So look, as you can see here, your website, again, similar. So if I click on here, let's just copy, let me just copy this text here just for the sake of doing this really quickly. So I'm going to go back over here. Then I'm going to click on, let's just say elements again, and we'll go with this. Drag this up to here, bring this across, If I want to change this, again, I can change the color, so let's just go with this gray. And then if I want to add in a text box, I click on text, and again, subheading, heading, put this in here. I'm going to click on here, drag this up to here, click on there, paste that into here, move that wherever I want. Now in terms of the text here, if you want to change, this, you can go ahead and use any of these different fonts on here. There's lots on here. The only thing you need to know is wherever it's got this crown, this means the paid version, but you don't need that. You can literally just use the free version for this. So we scroll up, and like I say, you can go through and play around with this and change any one you want. If you're not happy with how big the text is, you can make it bigger up here, you can make it smaller. You can basically, as you can gather from this so far, you just play around with this and literally just go through this until you're happy with this. I'll share with you a couple more things you can do on here. So let me just grab an image. Let's just go background, and I'm going to click on this one here. So I'm going to drag this really quickly like this, and then I'm going to click on position, and I'm going to send this backwards like this, okay? then let's say if I didn't like how you know bright this was and it was standing out, I can also play with something over here called the transparency, so I can you know make it as transparent as I want. If I wanted this here, again similar to this, I could literally just do this, so you know you can go through. And if I wanted this text on here to be white, then I would put this to white. So put that back to black. But basically, this is how you do it. You come over here, you use this piece of software called Canva for free, and you create a template like this. And once you've created one, you then click on here, and you click on, you can either duplicate the page or you can add another page. So if I click on add page, look, then I'm on to the next one. And if we come over here, we've got templates. So you've got these templates on here that you can use. If I go back over here, you've got photos, so you can use, let me get rid of that background. You've got photos that you can use, you've got trending on here, you can search for your own images, you've got elements, you've got text, you can even, well, there's music on here, there's backgrounds, videos, and lots more. So it's pretty simple stuff, but basically you'd go through, you would create some of these templates on here. Once you're happy with these, you simply click on here, and you click on download, and you download this as a PNG. Once you've got your templates, you would come over to Etsy here and we upload them onto Etsy. And literally what you can do is just go through and have a look at what other people, you know, what they're selling, because this is how you can get ideas. So you don't copy people, but you know, you take what they're doing, use it as a template, another template, and just create your own versions of this. And if I scroll down here, look, we've got Pinterest travel blog templates. We've also got, I saw one for food as well. Yeah, look, food blog templates. So literally these templates here, if you just click on this one, I mean, look at these. These are just, again, they're all templates. And you can go over into Canva here. So let's just go to templates. Where was it? Templates up here. And let's just search templates. Let's just type in food, for example. Look at this one. This is a free template. You can use this. This one is free. So if you come down here, click on here, and let's just go with this. Look, that's your template, and then you just play around with the text and the font, and basically just make sure that you're happy with it. You can play around with this as much or as little as you like. But that is basically how you use this piece of software over here. It's called canva.com. Again, don't worry, I'll drop a link to this below for you, but you create these templates and then you download them using this. We go over onto Etsy. We look at what other people are doing, you know, use these people as a guide because they're successful. So why would you not, you know, use what's successful and you know, tailor it to yourself? And then literally we upload the file. And the great thing about this is once you've uploaded it and you've put on your images and your other bits, it's done. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to worry about posting this and going to the, you know, going to Tesco's or Asda and you know, sending lots of stuff in the mail. It's an instant digital download. So do the work once, and then literally people buy it, that they get the product instantly, you earn money, less the Etsy fee. And it's just an awesome way to make money online, and it's a passive income. Now, I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. This is called The Ultimate Guide to Make Money from Home. This is just one example within this article here. You can see it's a pretty big article. Now, if I scroll down here, I'll just show you this very quickly. Look, creative way to make money online, selling printables. Now this is just one way that you can make money with printables. You can also do things like shopping checklists, baby shower games, printable quotes, pattern. There's loads and loads of different ways that you can do this, but you can do all of it for free using Canva. And in this blog article here, I also link over to a course. From memory, I think it's about $11 the course. It's absolutely awesome. It shares with you, you know, lots and lots of different ways that you can make money using printables. There's training in there and lots more. It's a great course. But look, that's just one way that you can make money. This article here, it's got, well, as you can see on here, there's lots of different ways that you can make money from home, and there's more resources in there for you. But look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.